everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Lotus Doll Shop's Balanced Lifestyle channel. Thank you for clicking on. If this is your first time here, I'm Vaughn. Welcome. It's nice to have you with me today. So, guys, I'm going to be doing a Casvaliano jewelry unboxing today. I am so excited about these jewelry pieces. When I saw them, when they reached out to me to give them a try, I was like, yeah, okay, we're gonna do this. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that YouTube can let you know every time I post a new video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up because you're gonna like what you see, guys. Here we go. All right, y'all. So the good folks over at Casvaliano Jewelry reached out to me a couple of weeks ago to give a few of their jewelry pieces a try. Guys, normally I'm a little weird in my jewelry choices. I don't necessarily think that you have to have the most expensive jewelry pieces. Personally, I love costume jewelry. I sell it on the Lotus Doll Shop on Poshmark at L.A.L. And I think that you could get a lot of wear out of beautiful costume jewelry pieces, which a lot of times that's what I love to wear. So they reached out to me, and let's just open up this box and see what we got. This is how it comes. This is their box. So everything is neatly packaged, beautifully packaged, if I might say so myself. And what you do is you just pull this, and inside is your jewelry pieces. All right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is, this is one of their rings that I ordered, and I'm going to take that out, and we're going to be putting it all on. That's why I don't have any jewelry on my fingers right now, guys. That is beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. This is pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, that is beautiful. This is the first ring, guys. Very, very pretty. Look at that. Okay, guys, now this is the Amore Ring. I'm going to show it to you from every angle as good as I can get it. That is what it looks like. I want to say it is little, and I want to get real good so you can see it. These stones are like a sweetheart, a heart, little hearts, and it just goes all the way around on the ring. That is what it looks like. So it's very, very pretty. This is their Amore Ring. That is the first ring that I have out of their collection. So this is the next ring out of their collection. This one is called the Teresia Ring, and this is a gold ring with square stones, and it's just the same thing all the way around. That is what that looks like. Now the good thing about these rings, guys, you can stack them if you like. They are so pretty, and I'm going to give you a couple of close-up shots as well. That is what this one looks like, and that is the Teresia Ring. All right, so the next piece that I got from Casvaliano Jewelry is this really, really pretty Luna bracelet. This is what it looks like. It's very cute. It's got like a string, so it's very adjustable. You know, most of the time, you know, women who may like to wear this kind of thing, if your wrist is kind of big, you want something that's adjustable that won't be too bendy. And it's like a tennis bracelet, but it's got the lunar moon with a little stone in the middle. It's very pretty. This one in particular is a rose gold, which is great for me because I love to wear my rose gold and gold pieces together. So that one is really, really pretty. I'm so glad I chose this, and I'm wearing it on this hand with the ring. So that is the next piece from Casvaliano Jewelry. So pretty. Alright guys, so the final piece that I have from Casvaliano Jewelry is this really beautiful initial necklace. They call it the Toreko initial necklace. This is what it looks like. I'll get up a little closer so you guys can see it. Let me see. There you go. That is what it looks like, and this is a V. Though my first name begins with a L, everybody calls me Vaughn, so I chose to get the V. I think it's really, really beautiful. It's a really simple gold necklace, and you know, you can go over there and find whatever, you know, your initial is, and I've always wanted an initial necklace, and I think it's really, really beautiful. I think it's gonna really work well with the other pieces. This is what everything looks like together. Yeah, everything is really, really beautiful, and it's not too much. It's just enough. You want a little bling and you want to accessorize. So yeah, this is really, really pretty. I'm so glad they reached out to me. Everything is really, really beautiful. Alright guys, so a little information about Casvaliano Jewelry. All of the stones are CZ stones. It is gold and silver plated copper jewelry, and when you open up the box, it comes with a little scan right here. And this tells you all about their care and maintenance. Remember guys, it is costume jewelry. It's meant to be fun. It's just meant for you to have a pretty blingy little accessory. So that's great. Now, Casvaliano Jewelry has been featured in Forbes, on Who What Wear, on the Daily Mail in the UK, and also Vogue and many others, because it is what I call luxury costume jewelry, and nothing is above $60 on Casvaliano. So again guys, these pieces, wow, they are really, they're really, really beautiful, and they're really impactful. And I love anything with hearts. Lately I've been falling in love with my Lotus flower. You guys know I never take that off. You know who gave me that, or if you've been watching the channel. So these are all really, really beautiful pieces. If you are looking for some holiday jewelry or just some jewelry for anytime, these pieces are really, really good for holiday, because they've got that bling factor, and it's not too much, but it's not too little either, you know, if you like subtle jewelry. So go over to Casvaliano and check it out with my link here on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description box. You can get 30% off right now. Again, for people who are watching, it could be a great Christmas gift, or it could be a great gift just for yourself if you just want to get yourself something pretty. So guys, Casvaliano Jewelry, very sparkly. I'm so happy that I found it. Go over there and find something pretty for yourself. Alright guys, and I told you, as always, every time I do a video, I like to make sure you know about all of my affiliates. Casvaliano is my latest affiliate, but I told you guys I would be ordering something, or I had something coming from one of my affiliates that I was so excited about, and I finally got them. Guys, L.A.L eyewear. I told you that they have really great sunnies and really great blue light blocking glasses. So I've got 2 pairs of the sunshades. If you follow me at L Von Love and Life on Instagram, you'll see me in those, because I advertise over there quite a lot for you to go check that out. And I'm gonna unbox these guys. This is how L.A.L eyewear comes. You get the box like this, and you get a little baggie for you to put your glasses in, as well as an eyeglass kit to tighten everything up if you need to. This is what they look like. All right, and here we go, guys. This is what they look like. I like them. You'll notice, if I get up a little closer, you'll notice there's a little bit of kind of an iridescence to them. It's supposed to help you block out blue light when you're using any of your digital devices, your computer, your tablet, or your cell phone, perhaps. What I find for blue light is, you know, for those people who like to scroll late at night, the blue light glasses are really good for helping with your circadian rhythms. It won't interrupt that when it's time for you to go to sleep. So other than that, hey, they look really cute. And these are called the Pink Riley Ann's. That is what the little everything looks like in the inside. These are called the Riley Ants, and it's a very light pink. It's not necessarily little girl pink, it's grown woman pink. That's why I chose them. But they come in 2 different shades. They come in white and they come in pink. And of course, guys, as always, at Abella Eyewear, you can get 30% off with my link, and I'll put that here on the screen, and also I'll put it down in the description box. So Abella Eyewear, these are my new blue light blocking glasses. I am loving them. They are so cute, so studious looking. Alright guys, so also you want to check out Bright and Smile down below in the description box. You can get 25% off using my link down below. Of course, they've got great teeth whitening kits. I prefer the whole kit where you get the mouthpiece, the LED light piece, mouthpiece, and you also get the product to put in. Guys, I saw results within, I believe, 3 uses, so I'm very happy with Bright and Smile. Go and check them out down below. 25% discount with my link. Also, Atheist Skincare, guys. I'm going to be showing you my new winter skincare routine for day and night. In a couple of weeks. I think I got that video scheduled for next week, I believe. So I'm going to be showing you that, honey, the Radiance and Renewal Serum. It's one of my favorites. If you have skin discoloration, it is a great product to have. So go over there and check that out, and you get 20% off with my link down below in the description box. And please, guys, go over to all my affiliates: Casvaliano Jewelry, Abella Eyewear, Bright and Smile, and Atheist Skincare. You might just find a gift for someone else or for yourself, and they've all got really good holiday deals right now. So go over there and check them out, and make sure you use my link to go through. Thank you. All right, guys, and as always, as per the last video, guys, I need you to go and check out, for the holiday season, for all your gift giving needs, the Lotus Doll Shop Boutique on Poshmark at L.A.L, LA. I did a video on our latest pieces, my very last video, and I'll link it up here for you guys to go ahead and check it out. We got some really cute stuff. I just got a cute midi knit dress, and I got a beautifully golden colored pan set that's for casual or going out, and I've got a really great corduroy piece. Guys, go and check that out. I could really use all your sales during this holiday season. All of the items are modeled in the last video that I had, so you can kind of see it on a regular body. Guys, I told you I like to be transparent. I like you to be able to see the clothes on a regular person, just, you know, flaws and all, because that's important, because you're not going to walk around with perfect lighting shining on you. So I like to do it like that. Remember, I'm a 5-star seller. I do next day ship out depending on the time that you got your order in the day before. And again, guys, in my boutique, all the items are new, and the pricing is based on how new or how much older, how long the items have been in the boutique. So I want you to go over there and check it out, and I want to say thank you to everyone who has already supported me, and there are a couple of people who support me over and over, and I really do appreciate you guys. So make sure to go over and check out the Lotus Doll Shop Boutique on Poshmark at L.A.L, LA. Thank you, guys. Happy holidays. Alright, guys, so I want to thank you so much for clicking on today. I hope that you saw something that you like, and I thank you to the Casvaliano people for reaching out to me. Your jewelry is really, really beautiful. Guys, these items are so great, and I don't know if I said it before, they don't have anything over there that's over $60. And like I said, this is luxury costume jewelry to me at a very affordable price. It's really, really beautiful. So go over there and check them out. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, a thumbs up, and I do appreciate all the thumbs up, guys. It's helping with the algorithm. I'm noticing that I'm getting more likes, and I really appreciate that. Make sure you share my video with all your family and friends who may be interested in fashion and lifestyle videos. The little dog is barking in the back, guys, sorry. Also, leave me a comment because I like to talk to you guys. Leave positive comments, please. I keep the vibes positive over here. I need energy protection constantly. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.
Oh no, I gave my heart away.